So I'm just going to inspect each frame, just see how things are looking. That's all nectar. It's not capped yet.
This is the nectar.
Okay.
Can I see?
And keep going. This is heavy.
Oh wow, there's a lot there.
So this is all nectar uncapped. And that's all honey. Where you see that white cap, that's capped honey. Okay. See anything white on top? That's capped honey.
Oh wow.
So this is a whole frame of nectar. They're just storing nectar. And I'm gonna try to look for the queen. I don't need to see her, but it's just good to know that she's
Why are they all
there.
bunched up right there?
Because they're working on that burr comb on the top. So we should start to see some brood, which will be like medium brown. Yep. So a lot of honey here and a lot of brood cells. So Brandon, if you can get the camera in there really close, all those middle colored cells are brood, and you might even be able to see some larvae. Can you zoom in on some larvae in some of them? See the little white worms in them?
Oh yeah, there's a little one right here.
Yeah. So they're bees going through different
Wait, can I
stages.
see?
Yeah.
That's so
Let
cool.
me see if I see the queen here anywhere. Okay, you want to come here, Nachi, and look? So all that medium yellow color, and look in the very middle of the frame. See those little worms in the middle? That's larva. That's baby bee larva. You see them in the bottom of those open cells?
Oh, ew, yeah.
And when they get capped, that means they're ready to start being pupating, and then they transform into bees. So the queen will start to be on one of these middle frames, probably. Let's see if I can find her.
Okay, I'm done.
You all done? So everything's looking really good. There's a lot of capped brood, all that brown. Some honey on the ends. Looking for a queen.
Is the only way to notice
Wanna
her
zoom
that
in
she's
there
a lot
again, Brandon?
bigger?
Yeah, she's a lot bigger. See this, all that white is capped honey, and then there's some pollen, and that's all brood there, capped brood. Let's give them one more smoke. Is this still going? Yeah,
Should stop the video and start over. It's gonna get super long.
it's okay.
But then we can't do the sending. Wow, that one's the most. Aren't you gonna remove these?
Yeah, I might not right now. It's just kind of hard to remove it.
I can remove it right now.
No, yeah, if you want to. The other one's got bees on it.
Why hard?
Mom, you're gonna get stung.
Just take it away and the bee will fly off there. Yeah, that's fine. I'm just looking for the queen. I don't see her here on this side. There's a lot more bees than last time because there's new ones being born. There's honey up there in the corners. See that, Brandon?
Yeah.
There's a gazillion new larvae in there.
Hey, Joe, stay down.
Okay, don't see a queen there. The bees put on something called propolis, which is like this little.
Oh, there's a ton of bees in that one.
Looking for a queen. Okay, so all these brood cells have like hatched, and most of them are like empty, so they're ready to get new eggs. Some new larvae there. I still don't see the queen. Where are you, queen? Can't seem to find her. Oh, I see a small hive beetle running around, little bastard, hiding in the corner. At least I thought I did. Oh no, it wasn't actually. So some bird comb at the bottom, but I'm just gonna leave that, I think. Maybe I'll take one off here, let's see. Okay, running out of time to see the queen. Only 3 frames left here. Unless the queen is in that other hive body. I found the queen, Brandon. So here, we're gonna zoom in, and she's like in the 3 inches in from the left side of the frame, walking upwards. Do you see how big she is? She's really long.
Oh, I see.
She's walking toward the top. Zoom in on her. Can you see how long her body is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now she's like going towards the bottom.
Zoom in even more. Yeah, she's putting her head into a cell.
Yeah, I got it.
See that? So you spot her. Yeah, she's pretty long.
That's really cool.
Yeah,
I've never
a lot of
seen a
larvae
queen bee.
here. And so I'm not even going to inspect any more frames because there's no reason to up here.
Check the last one with the beetle.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Trap.
That's all I'm going to do. This guy wants to... he's not happy. I should use my tool to get this separated here, but it's all right. Do you see any beetles in there, Brandon?
I can't tell.
No. No beetles in there. A little bit of honey, that's all. Boom, brood. So they're doing really well. The queen has really filled up a lot of the frames here with brood, center parts of the frames. One thing I'm gonna do is swap a couple frames around because they're not doing much activity over here. So I gotta push these close to each other.
Are you gonna check all the frames of the other one?
And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swap some frames here. I think I'll go like this. Put this one out here.
Remember, you still have one outside the hive.
I got it. I'm supposed to take this here and put it outside. I'm gonna keep this one out because I don't think it's doing. I'm not showing there's anything in there. And I'm gonna put the other one back on. Take a quick look at here, maybe. put this guy on the outside of this one. Oh, they're doing a lot in the middle.
Oh, there's a ton of bees.
Nectar. So they've gone up here and they're doing a lot of nectar. Actually, it looks like they might be getting to do some brood up here. This top box has only been on here for a week, so they're just starting to work their way up. They haven't even filled the bottom box quite yet, but they've done it quite a bit. Yeah, they're drawing out comb. So you can see here, Brandon, they're pulling comb out. They haven't even, oh, and look, the queen has already gone up here to the top box and zoom and see all the larvae. There's a lot of larvae in there. Can you see? Look deep in the bottom of the cells. You see little half moon worms.
Let me zoom in on. Wait, keep it here. Let me try to zoom in on.
So she's gone up here and started laying eggs, which is great. And she's doing really well. That's a really good sign from what I read. This is only the 4th week, so she's kicking butt. Okay, that's it. I'm done bothering these guys. And put this hive top feeder back on. Super heavy. They were really calm bees today. I don't even think I need to wear gloves, or many beekeepers don't wear gloves at all so they can feel the frames better. But I just don't want to take a chance getting stung on a finger because that would be really annoying. And that's it. Get some dust off of that. It's the inner hive cover. Telescoping cover. Boom. So we open the entrance reducer. Whoops. That's it, all done. Boom. Do you want to go show the entrance reducer really quick? It's wider now. And I switched it to oh, you know what? I did something wrong. They're trying to go back in where they used to be, and they're really confused. So funny. Do you see that?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this.
There you go.
I don't have to put this in there, really. You know, they can have a whole entrance, but I'm going to put it in anyway.
Just wait a little longer till there's more bees.
Oops. Yeah, there we go.
Make sure you don't crush one.
No, I'm just sliding it in.
No, because that one was trying to get out the other side right as you closed it in.
Yeah.
All right.
Here we go. They have a nice big entrance. Okay, that's it. All done.